I'm diving into a review of the XIDAX X6 AMD Ryzen 7 9800X 3D gaming desktop PC. If at any moment you're interested in checking it out or grabbing a great deal, just click the links down below the video. Ever dreamed of having a PC that doesn't just keep up with the latest games, but dominates them? Let me introduce you to a gaming powerhouse that might just be your next obsession: the XIDAX X6 ONAMI white gaming desktop. This isn't your average plug-and-play machine. No, this beast is assembled and serviced right in Utah, built with the kind of care and customization that you just don't find from big box brands. The heart of this system is AMD's new Ryzen 7 9800X 3D processor, clocked at a blistering 4.7 gigahertz with a massive 96 megabytes of cache. If you're into high-performance gaming or heavy multitasking, whether it's video editing, streaming, or 3D rendering, this chip absolutely delivers. Now let's talk graphics. The XIDAX X6 features the next-gen NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 with 16 gigabytes of dedicated VRAM. That means ray tracing, buttery smooth frame rates, and ultra settings across pretty much any title out there, even the most demanding ones. If you're aiming for 4K gaming or getting into VR, you're set. Supporting all of that is a generous 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, plenty of overhead for power users, and future-proofing for upcoming titles. And when it comes to storage, you've got a whopping 2 terabyte M.2 NVMe SSD. Translation? Games load almost instantly. Large files move lightning fast, and there's ample space for your entire digital universe. All of this is wrapped in the stunning ONAMI white case, a clean, modern design with a unique front-facing 8-inch LCD screen. Yes, a real screen with HDMI input. Whether you use it to monitor temps, display your logo, or stream a second screen, it's a showstopper. Connectivity is no issue either. You've got Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and a good spread of USB 2.0 and 3.0 ports. Everything you need for peripherals, accessories, and future expansions is ready to go. Now, as amazing as this rig is, here's one thing to consider. This kind of performance and craftsmanship does come with a premium price tag. If you're on a tight budget or more of a casual user, it might be more machine than you really need. But for serious gamers, content creators, or professionals wanting top-tier performance out of the box, this machine is worth every penny. So whether you're chasing top frames in Apex Legends, streaming in ultra quality, or editing your next cinematic masterpiece, the XIDAX X6 is built to handle it all and look incredible doing it. Curious to see it for yourself or check the latest deals? Tap the links in the description below to grab yours at a great price. Thanks for tuning in to today's latest review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Remember to check out the links below for some fantastic deals on the product we discussed today. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us keep bringing you the best and up-to-date reviews.